when you are in the forest and you feel inside of the deva of the leaves or the deva of the forest or the devas of your own highest self or your so-called future self or your past self, and then you inquire into something, close your eyes and inquire into something deeply, deeply needed at this very moment. And you can breathe 3 times in it. And then you can listen to the whispers, to the whispers of the answer, the whispers of the wind carrying you an opportunity, carrying to you a serendipity. And if it doesn't work at this very moment, be very attentive on your day, be very attentive in your life, be very attentive when you are in relationship with your thoughts, with your emotions, with nature, with your child, with your beloved, with your employee, with your partner, with your creative process.